what kind of training and leadership courses or anything are you guys looking into or taking the steps forward to give the tools that they need to succeed?
Yeah, so this time of the year is when we step back and look at what can we do to give these guys more tools in their pocket to learn and grow in their position. So it's definitely a busy time of the year. But yeah, last season, we just took some bits and pieces from Echelon Front.
Mm-hmm.
It just spoke to us, and we thought we could bring that back to our team. And so we did like a little mini series on it, and for the most part, everyone was pretty receptive to it. And there was obviously a few people that weren't real sure on it at first, but overall, it went pretty well.
Mm-hmm.
And it's right up Jenna's alley too for the leadership pieces.
Yeah, that's at least nonprofits that I worked in. I mean, that is a big piece of it. I mean, learning leadership. And then, of course, a big part of leadership is emotional intelligence and just being aware of your own self. And so I have gone to countless leadership trainings and those pieces, read books. I love leadership. So I've read lots of books about it. So we kind of pulled that together, like Dan said, some of the Echelon Front stuff, put that using this. And I think a big piece of it, like for better or for worse with my background as being a therapist, I do pull that in because it is, right? Like you get to that point that you're yelling because a whole lot of things. And so you're able to start to identify that in yourself and stop it before it happens. So trying to, in a not super soft, mushy way, help the team develop even those skills within themselves, I think goes a long way with company culture and leadership.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, because they see that you're investing in them, though, right? Too. It's like they see that. I mean, the good ones will, and like you said, maybe a couple of guys didn't take it, because we've done, even watched just some of the YouTube videos that are out there from, Jocko about leadership and the debriefing after a job and et cetera, et cetera. Like I've had guys sit down and watch and be like, "This is awesome, this is great." And then I've had some guys being like, "Dude, we're digging holes. We're not going to war." And it's like, okay, I get it. But at the end of the day, too, it's like, well, hey, maybe you're not that guy or girl that's cut out for this.